don't know if y'all hear that, but that's the noise you gonna hear. That's the passenger side. That's the noise you gonna hear. All you gotta do is push up and down. Yeah, that shit crazy. Today, man, I'm gonna be working on this Benz. I gotta do my sway bar links. When I'm driving, I'm getting a little vibration. Not in the steering wheel, but I can feel it in the wheels, you know. So about 50, 60 miles an hour. So if you got your car parked on a flat surface or even surface and you push down on the driver's side front, you should hear a little clink, clink. Like every time you push down hard, clink, clink, clink. If you hear that, that's your sway bar link. You need to do them. You need to do both sides. Now, slow ass O'Reilly's never got no goddamn parts. I don't see why they call O'Reilly's auto parts when they don't got shit. And I can speak on this because I work right next door to them. I can say what the fuck I want. Them niggas don't never got shit. And it ain't just cause I got a Benz. They don't got shit for regular ass a Chevy fucking Cavalier. They don't got simple shit, man. And that shit be pissing me off. That's why I don't recommend people to nowhere. Y'all get y'all own parts. Y'all figure it out like I gotta figure it out. Y'all know the year, make, and model of y'all car. Look this shit up and figure it out, man. Some people will drive their car for 5 years and don't even know what size motor they got in it. Don't know if it's a 2013 or a 2012. So y'all figure that shit out first before y'all want somebody to work on y'all car. Y'all can't call over the phone and don't know what the fuck y'all want. Hey, how much for an oil change? Well, what size motor you got? Oh, I think it's a V4. One is driver side, one is passenger side. Which one? You don't know until you take it off. But they shouldn't be the same way. They should be opposite like this. So I'm about to get this motherfucker in the air real quick. We're gonna go from there. I gotta turn this shit down, boy. I'm gonna jack the whole car up so y'all can see the process. I was only gonna jack the front up and have the front off the ground, but I'm gonna jack the whole car up. So for the ones who don't know how a sway bar link, what a sway bar link is. Going up on a Tuesday. Some people don't know the year of their car, let alone what size motor they got. But every car I ever had, I know my boat size, that's a 17. On my Beamer, it's a 17. On my Suburban, it was a motherfucking 21. That's how he do all day. All day. Oh, goddamn.
I got you. Whatever you need, man, I got you.
That boy got the new gun. impact. It's electric.
Best $200 I spent this far.
That's 200 he didn't spend, and I'm using it.
Like butter.
Yep.
Like Cracker Barrel butter. Oh my god.
Just on the ground.
Boy, look at that. That ain't rig. I don't know what is.
Damn, I left that shit on there. Just to hold the caliber up.
Damn.
I was holding the caliber up. That's because you was bothering me, boy.
I called Murray and that determined that was a lie. What year is this Mercedes?
It's 92 through 99 model. But mine is a 98. They had it from 92 to 99.
Sitting on 26s, 4 Giottos, staggered.
See, that's what the sway bar link. That's busted. That ain't no good. And it go like this. I think this shit the wrong ones too. Oh no, that's the driver's side. What I say? God damn, what? So bam. Go like that. But that's what's making my wheels shake. Give me a minute. You got a bolt here. That's the top. This bottom bolt. Bam, that hoe gonna come right out. Hold on, I gotta. Bam. See how easy that top one pop out, the bottom one pop out. The little, look, it's little at the top, it's big at the bottom. Cause you can put it in the wrong way. Y'all see the difference? It's the old. See how that motherfucker all toe up? It's hard too. That even move. See, on the inside, it's supposed to be grease. Ain't no grease in there, shit. It's gonna move. So man, that's why the new one sealed up. It ain't cracked. Little shit like this makes a big difference, man. Makes a big ass difference. You'll be surprised. Alright, hold on, man. Stay tuned. You just reverse the process. When the new one on, tighten that shit up. Put the rotor back on. Just reverse the process, man. Common sense. I'm trying to get this shit done, but I'm trying to show y'all at the same time what I did in today's video. The sway bar links. You could hear this one. That motherfucker bad, you know what I'm saying? You could look at it and see it's bad. If you can look underneath your car and your rubber bushings all cracked up and all toe the fuck up, man, replace the shit. Cause 2 to 1, it ain't doing its job. But yeah, that's what I did today. I did the sway bar links. So that's it, man. Hope this helps somebody.